off, we first want to, I brought my blade over and I left the sheathing in the van. You want to make sure that you have set up a controlled access zone. You don't want your customers around. And within your zone, you want to look for poison ivy, poison oak. You want to assess those type of things. Once you do that, you figure out which branch you need to cut. And there's a three-step process we want to do with this. We first want to do an undercut. First want to do an undercut to score the branch. Then we will do an overcut to take the branch off. And then finally we'll do a third cut at the stump of the tree, at the trunk of the tree to remove the branch totally. We're going to start off with the undercut. Just want to score it a third of the way. Then go with the overcut. Nice clean cut there. And then you want to go to the trunk of the tree. Now we want to cover the pruning. It's important to note that we will only be cutting off branches that are only 1.5 inches in thickness. And again, the same process with setting up your controlled access zone, the checking for poison ivy and poison oak. You also want to make sure that we are only cutting off branches that are in our line of sight of the satellites. So we're just going to demonstrate on this branch here, the pruner. Again, be back far enough for when that branch falls, you aren't in that line.